In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rate a Facebook Marketplace seller. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for so you can share helpful, fair feedback about your experience. First, open Facebook and head to Marketplace. On desktop, you'll usually see Marketplace in the left sidebar. On mobile, it's the shopping bag icon in the main menu. If you've never used it before, give the page a second to load. Marketplace can take a moment as it pulls in local listings and your recent activity. Next, open your Marketplace messages. These are separate from your general Messenger inbox and are tied specifically to Marketplace conversations. You'll find them within the Marketplace section, often under a tab labeled Inbox or Selling and Buying. This is where all of your chats with buyers and sellers live, so it's the best place to manage your transactions and follow-ups. Now select the conversation with the seller you want to rate. If you've messaged multiple sellers about similar items, take a quick moment to confirm you've got the right thread by reviewing the item title or a recent message preview. It helps to remember details like the meeting time, condition of the item when you picked it up, and whether the price matched what was agreed on. Having that fresh in mind will make your rating more accurate and useful. Once you're in the correct conversation, look for the option that says Rate Seller. This typically appears within the conversation view after an interaction has taken place, such as completing a purchase or marking an item as sold. When you click Rate Seller, Facebook will guide you through giving your feedback. Keep your comments factual and focused on the experience. Things like communication, accuracy of the listing, punctuality, and overall satisfaction. Avoid sharing personal details and stick to what will help future buyers make informed decisions. If you don't see the Rate Seller option, there are a few common reasons. The rating feature may only appear after certain actions occur in the thread or within a specific time window following the transaction. In some cases, the seller or listing status can affect whether the option shows up. Features can also vary slightly between the app and desktop versions, so the placement of the button might look a bit different even when it's available. That's it. By accessing your Marketplace messages, opening the correct seller conversation, and selecting Rate Seller, you're contributing to a safer, more reliable community. Thanks for watching, and happy buying on Marketplace.